Bonjour everyone. Today, we are going to learn formal and informal greetings in French. This lesson is perfect for A1 beginners. Greetings are the words we use to say hello and goodbye. In French, greetings change depending on the situation. Formal greetings are polite and respectful. We use them with strangers, elders, teachers, and at work. The most common formal greeting is bonjour. Bonjour means hello or good day. In the evening, we say bonsoir, which means good evening. To say goodbye formally, we say au revoir. You can also say bonne journée for have a nice day, and bonne soirée for have a nice evening. These are polite ways to say goodbye. Informal greetings are friendly and casual. We use them with friends, family, and people our age. The most common informal greeting is salut. Salut means hi or hello. Coucou means hey. To say goodbye informally, say salut. A bientôt means see you soon. A plus means see you later. With a teacher,
Good
say
morning.
bonjour madame. With a friend, say salut. Choose your greeting based on the
Good
situation.
morning.
Important tip: when you are not sure, always use bonjour. Let's practice. Office, bonjour. Friend, salut. Great job. Subscribe for more French lessons. Au revoir.